Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. You know, published studies have clearly proven that the presence of exercise is a key to a longer and smarter life. When you look at our history, it all makes sense. For most of our existence, we're to move to get food and to survive. Because of this, human beings have evolved to move up to 12 miles a day. The human brain developed in an environment where we needed to be constantly moving to survive. Try not being bothered to get up when a saber-toothed tiger shows up. Your genes just wouldn't get passed on to the next generation. Laziness was not a key survival attribute. Given our relative lack of weapons, sharp teeth, claws, strength, speed, we had no choice but to be moving all the time. So our brain evolved under movement. The simple rule is, movement equals survival. Under this rule, our brain developed incredible abilities, giving human beings their most powerful weapon. But while we all get the idea that it's smart to exercise, we probably didn't realize that exercise makes you smarter. The scientific fact is that exercise boosts brain power. Studies have taken people whose definition of exercise is reaching for the remote control and got them doing some fitness classes. And within 12 weeks of taking up a relatively light exercise program, a wide range of cognitive abilities were enhanced. These abilities include problem solving, foresight, self-control, and concentration. The interesting thing is that if the exercise regime is withdrawn, these abilities return to their pre-exercise limits, thus proving the link. And here's the high-level science bit, okay? The brain requires oxygen to function. Oxygen is carried in your blood. Exercise increases the blood supply to your brain, giving it energy supply it needs to remove toxins. Also, exercise stimulates the growth of tiny proteins called BDNFs, brain-derived brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It's not important. BDNF. These proteins keep existing neurons young and healthy and much more able to connect together to build neural pathways, also known as learning. And they also cause neurogenesis, the formation of new cells in the brain, increasing your brain's capacity. The exercise level required to kick off the brain boost is just 30 minutes of aerobic activity 2 to 3 times a week. Add a strength-building aspect to the training and you get even more of a brain boost. The more publicized benefits of exercise are the reduction of risk of stroke, diabetes, and heart problems, but when you combine these obvious benefits with the insights that it also makes you smarter, it makes sense. It's a no-brainer to exercise. Now imagine you got all those benefits when learning how to protect yourself with Krav Maga, the most effective self-defense system in the world. So in summary, Krav Maga makes you safer, fitter, and smarter. Get safer, fitter, and smarter. Go to www.kravmagaireland.com. It's the smart thing to do. I should know. I am a scientist.